Guy. Okay.
What's the name of
Uh, Olanio Victor. All right. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon. Please don't mind my background, but just focus on me. Focus on me. So, I'll go ahead and share my screen. We're gonna be discussing some charts. I'm gonna be breaking down some charts. I see that two people already joined my live. Please don't mind my background. Of course, I'm in my hostel, and unfortunately, there's nowhere to go because today is Sunday. Everywhere is locked, and as you know, Cover University with their stuff, they don't want you to go anywhere. So, SARS and Mars watching my live, please stay with me. Don't go anywhere, and let's break down the charts and let's see how we're gonna trade this new week. All right, please give me a minute. Please, I need to check on my back end if it is working. So please check if it's working. I've cancelled it. I'm live now. Is that it? Please reduce the volume, please. All right. So I don't want to waste too much of your time. Two guys are already here. Please don't mind my background. Background, of course. Don't mind my background. You know, I'm still a student, and this is how our hostel is. Please. I try my best to arrange things and everything. Please, just stay with me. It's still nice now. All right. So I'll go ahead and share my screen. I'll go ahead and share. Reduce the volume. Reduce the volume. My camera is neat too. So I'll share my entire screen now. Reduce the volume. So I'll show. All right, sharing. I'm sharing my audio. So please don't let that Wi-Fi fuck me up. Guys. Okay. Oh, okay. So all right. All right. I'm sure you guys can see my screen now. I'm sure you guys can see my screen now. All right. So let me go ahead and let's start with the chart. Let's go ahead and let's start with the charts. You know, I'll be getting some few comments on what I should analyze today, and let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes, guys. Just focus on the charts. Focus on me and focus on the charts. Don't mind any distractions. Don't mind the background. Don't mind any of the thing that is going on around me, please. Because my roommates are definitely going to come in. Everybody's going to come and do something, one thing or the other. So, all right. So, I'm going to be analyzing few pairs today. I'm going to be analyzing GBP USD. I'll analyze Euro USD. This is kind of like this is a double top and double bottom. Sorry, this is the first bottom here, and this is the second bottom here. So it's like a double bottom, and as you guys know, if you know your chart pattern very well, this is a double. Let's put it like this. This is a double bottom, right? The other double bottom. This is a breakout. Then they retested the neckline. Of course, if you know your chart pattern very well, you see that you please fast forward that stuff. So you know your chart pattern very well. You know that you will know that you want to. That was plain now. So my screen is no more sharing. Jesus. Guys, on the uptrend, it has been buying for some time. You can see that this massive spike, US oil has been going up. And what's actually US oil? US oil is United States crude oil. Like that is the price of their oil per barrel. So and you can see that the market closed at on Friday. The market on US oil price, you can see at $71, $71.12 per barrel on US oil as at Friday. That was last week, yeah. That was like 3 days ago. As I was saying, if you know your chart pattern very well, you see that this is a clear double, this is a clear double bottom. So this is a clear double bottom, break out of the double bottom, we test the neckline. If you don't know this and you want to learn from me, of course, DM me on my Twitter. My Twitter handle is Victor_USAN. So this is a double bottom on a monthly time frame. This is the first bottom, this is second bottom here. So this is double bottom on the monthly time frame, which also signifies that of course the market is on the uptrend. And once the market broke out of this neckline, this is the neckline. This particular blue zone is the neckline. Once the market broke out of the neckline, a massive breakout. This is a retest of the neckline. The market has been retesting the neckline. So US oil. US oil right now, yeah. I'm still bullish on US oil, if you ask me. I'm still very much bullish on US oil. And let's just look for more trading. Let's look for trading opportunities. So I'm going to scale on a lower time frame. I'm going to scale on a lower time frame. I'm going to scale to a weekly time frame. So I come from a month. My strategy is, but this is clearly my strategy. And if you know Dapo Willis, you understand that this is also the way it trades, because I learned trading from Dapo Willis. And my strategy is that I come from a monthly time frame, look at the overall trend, and trade alongside with the overall trend. And if you want to still learn from me, because it's more advanced than you think, but as you think is way simpler, but you have to also have someone to guide you and to also accompany you. So if you want to learn from me, of course, you can DM me, or you can drop a comment. I'll reply to your comment, then we'll discuss as time goes on. So let's take this trend line from here all the way down here, all the way down here. So this is actually the overall trend of this. After the market broke out of here, this is the retest of it. So we're waiting for a flow all the way up. So I'm going to be looking for a buy trade in between this consolidation. So I'm going to scale lower. Let me see. Okay, I'm going to scale lower. We don't have much time on our ends right now. Okay. So this is me on a daily time frame, and as you can see on a daily time frame, you can see that the market has come and do what? Has come and form like a a triple bottom, Because if you zoom in quite nicely, you can see that this is a bottom here. The market is like trying to. It's just like how will I put it? It's like you nailing some kind of wood on a concrete. So like you are nailing it, This is what US oil is actually doing on a daily time frame here. This is one bottom here, and this is This is another bottom here. This is another bottom here. Oh my god. So this is another I want to just align the bottoms. Looks like something has been going on with this thing. So this is another bottom here, and this is another bottom here. All right, so this is actually four bottoms here, and this also signifies that the market is not actually USO is not actually ready to actually bleed all the way to the downside. It also adds to our position that USO is what it's still telling us that USO is what is still bearish. So we're not going to be in east. Give me a minute, guys. All right, so we're not going to be in east. This also signifies that USO is what is about to rally all the way up. Okay, it means that US oil is not ready to fall. Like oil is not ready to fall. So that was me. So we're going to look for buying opportunities. So how do I look for buying opportunities? Of course, I don't trade on a daily time frame. And sometimes I trade on a daily time frame, but most of the time I don't trade on a daily time frame. So what will I do? I will just pick a minor trend line, a smaller trend line in between these bigger trends. So let me scale to a 4 hour. I execute my trades on a 4 hour time frame. I execute my trades on a 4 hour time frame. So you can see here, this is a very, very clean chart. If you ask any professional trader, this is a very, very clean chart. So right now, US oil, I've taken my counter trend, my counter 4 hour trend line from this to this. So what will I do? Because if this gap, you can see this gap here. You can see that there's a gap here. If I delete this, if you look at this, there's a gap here. This might be what the market might do, but the reverse will be the reverse will be the key. The reverse will be the case. So the market might just come and open all the way here. So what will I do? I wait for US oil to open. If the market open for US oil, I actually place a buy trade. But that would be my first trade. And why am I placing buy trade? Like, why am I placing buy trade here? Because USL has broken out of this 4 hour counter trend line I drew. USL has broken out clearly and has closed above this 4 hour candle I drew. And it also signifies that it's about to rally all the way up, and you don't want to miss out on this golden opportunity, and just to miss out on the money you're gonna play. So if my market opens now, of course, my SL, my stop loss will be below this counter trend line. So in case the market wants to form some kind of manipulation and come and touch it like this, my SL will be here before rallying all the way up. So my SL will be there. So this is where my SL will be, and of course my overall target, my first level target will be somewhere here. Then my overall target, this is my first level target here at $78 per barrel. And if we break above that, my overall target will be at the touch of this trend line, which also lines up with $89 per what, per barrel. So that's my take on US oil. Immediately market opens, but if I see a gap, let me enlarge this. But if I see a gap, let's assume that market comes to open up here. I'm not going to take my trade. Of course, I'm not going to take my trade. But if the market still opens like around this region, around $71, $70, of course, I will place my trade. But if you want to, I used to meet up my trades on my WhatsApp group, but I'll drop the link on my Telegram channel in the comments below, so you guys can do what. So my screen is no longer sharing again. Please always tell me that my screen is not sharing. My screen is not sharing again. Yes, that's what I'm saying now. I'm sorry, guys. I didn't know that my screen was not sharing. I did know. Not sharing. My God. So as I was saying, I'm very sorry. I've been yapping since. I beg, if you guys see that my screen is not sharing, please, you can send me a WhatsApp. Send me. You can just send me something so that I can know that okay, man, we're still back and we're still together. So as I was saying, my SL will be below here because of, in case of market manipulation, in case the market wants to come and retest this trend line, my SL will be below here. That is if the market doesn't create a gap. But if market comes and open all the way here, no, US oil is not predictable. Like you can see, for example, in this area, how the market created a gap and started. I beg. So that's my take on US oil. Our first level target is here at 100%, and this part of the state I am is just the worst. So let me just go ahead and continue sharing my screen. Let's see what we will have. Let's see what we have in the next 7 minutes. We should be done. We should be done with this. So let's continue. Let's continue. Let's continue what we have. So can you see my screen now? So we are up, we are up. So as I was saying on Euro USD has been breathing for some time now. It has been falling for a while. It has been falling for the longest. So we're looking for, of course, selling opportunities. The market is not looking as if it wants to reverse. As long as Euro USD doesn't break above this trend line, this particular bearish trend line, we're still what? We're still bearish. All right. So I've actually confirmed that we're still live. We're still live. So let's just do something fast and end this live as soon as possible. So what am I looking for on Euro USD? I'm looking to sell Euro USD. Unfortunately, that's not actually good for the euro, but that's what I'm saying here. All right, I'm getting some message on my WhatsApp about my YouTube. So don't worry, guys. We're just back live. So of course you can see that Euro USD has broken this counter bearish trend line, which is over here. It has bleed and it spiked and destroyed it, as you guys can see. So what am I waiting for on the euro? I'm waiting for Euro USD to do what, to pull back. As you can see, it has broken below this key level. So I'm waiting for a pullback somewhere around here, then we bleed all the way to the next key level. So let me scale lower so I can look for entries, to look for immediate trend within the overall trend. So the immediate trend even within the overall trend is still bearish. It's still red, it's still falling. And as you guys know, I love falling markets. I love markets that fall. I feel like I should delete this. So let me, there's a new trend even inside the overall trend. This other trend is somewhere here. So probably I'm still sure Euro USD is still gonna pull back. So is it that Euro USD pulls back into this key level, and start bleeding all the way downside? But like, that is not how the trend is supposed to go. I feel like if I take my Fibonacci from swing high to swing low, I feel like, and I hope that Euro USD. No, this is a. I'm very sorry, but this is a massive drop from here to here. Then I'm expecting Euro USD to do what? To pull back into into the 50% or 60% Fibonacci zone, which is also called the Willis zone, before rallying all the way back down. So that's what I'm expecting on Euro USD. That's a system on Euro USD. Right now, I don't think I'm gonna trade the Euro until I see a pullback. Let me map out the zone the Euro USD is gonna pull back into. If I see a pullback into this particular zone, somewhere in between, just come and also come for a third touch of this trend line before actually bleeding all the way down. So that's what I'm seeing on the euro. Nothing too much. That's what I'm expecting, and that's what I hope to happen. But this is a daily time frame to be like. It's not. I don't trade on daily time frame, but so probably and probably not. I'm still expecting Euro USD to come all the way here, to bleed all the way here. So that's my take on the euro. That's my take on the euro. Then let me see GBP USD. GBP USD. I just want to make this as brief as possible. Let's leave GBP USD alone, guys. Let's leave GBP USD alone. So Euro JPY. I have to make sure I calm down because I've been really stressed today with this internet shit. So this is, let me scale on the higher time frame as usual. Higher time frame sheet. So higher time frame. This is a higher time frame, guys. As you guys can see clearly. Look, if I see a chart right now, like how I'm seeing this chart now, I definitely know that Euro JPY is coming for a third touch somewhere around here. And how do I know that? Because of course the market is bleeding, and this looks like a left shoulder, head, right shoulder. You know your chart patterns very well. You know that this is a reversal pattern. This is a clear reversal pattern. So Euro JPY, I'm looking for it to bleed all the way to the downside. And if I take my Fibonacci from swing high to swing low, you can see it. If you zoom in, you can see that, of course, Euro JPY make a first leg. What was the first leg? It pulled back into the Willis zone, somewhere about the 50% and 60% Fibonacci retracement zone. Then hopefully it's bleeding, forming. This is a 3 weeks bearish candle. You can't tell me that Euro JPY wants to buy. I can't believe you. This is a bearish candle. So what am I expecting on Euro JPY? Let me first map out my overall targets. First target here, the second target hopefully here. Let me delete my Fibonacci. So Euro JPY, of course, that's what I'm expecting on Euro JPY. Let me scale lower to look for entries, and to look for immediate trends within the overall trend. Of course, the overall trend is bullish here, but like you have to also try to trace some pullbacks. Yeah, but like I'm talking from the seat of a professional trader. Okay, I'm talking from the seat of someone that has been I've seen the rough edges and I've seen so many stop losses. So I'm telling you for free that, of course, Euro JPY is ready to bleed all the way to the downside since that's pulled back into the 50%, the Willis zone. Let me just type it as the Willis zone. So how are we going to enter this trade? But I can't actually seem to understand it on a daily time frame. Let me skip to a 4 hour to let's see the market clearly. All right, I think I can see a trend line somewhere here. Right. All right, this is a clean trend line. So right now on Euro JPY, right now Euro JPY, I'm expecting, after every impulse leg, there's always a consolidation. Market can just fall. After every impulse leg, there'll be a consolidation, impulse leg, consolidation before we get to our overall target. You get what I'm saying? So right now on Euro JPY, let me just take my Fibonacci to know where the market is gonna pull back into. Let me stick like this. So I'm expecting the market to actually pull back into this Willis zone somewhere around here. This is not complex, guys. It's just as simple as this. It's as simple as this. Calm down. Let me just tell you something. If market comes and pull back here, market pulls back here, I'll start seeing some retracement pattern. Of course, I'm going to sell euro. I'm going to sell euro JPY. But right now, this is my take on euro JPY. First target here, second target all the way here. Just come and touch the third touch of the overall bullish trend line. So that's what I'm expecting on euro JPY, guys. That's what I'm expecting on euro JPY. Once euro JPY pulls back into this bullish zone, I'll look for some kind of confirmation somewhere around here, probably bleeding 4 hour time frame, 2 4 hour time frame close. Boom! I've placed myself positions. Of course, my stop loss will be above this trend line. The first position is not always the best position. Is within the pullbacks, you stacking, pullbacks, you stacking. That's what I do, and that's what my mentor taught me to do. So that's my thought on Euro JPY. Let's do a quick recap. We'll talk about Euro JPY. We talk about Euro USD. So what I'm waiting for Euro USD, wait for a pullback. Wait for a pullback, probably into this release zone or probably into this key level. That's what we're waiting for. Then we talk about US oil. So unfortunately, we're only able to talk about 3 PSD because of time. And what I see on US oil, I was like, okay, when the market opens, I'll place my sell orders. So we're taking our take profit together, and we're also taking our what SL together. My SL will be around this level here. So I'll send a screenshot to my Telegram channel. I'll drop the link of my Telegram channel in the comments below. So in case you guys want to join, please don't mind my background. In case you are watching this after the stream, don't mind my background. I'm still a university student, and this is how our hostel look like, unfortunately. So there's nothing we can do about that. So let's call it the end of this live stream. Let's go to the end of this live stream. Let me see. All right, so only 2 people were able to join our live stream, and I'm very happy that you guys took to the very end. As you guys know, I've been worn out. This was not the way I was looking at the beginning of this video. Unfortunately, that's what I have for you guys, and I have to come here every week. So there's no excuses, no excuses. So that's my take, and I'll see you guys on my Telegram channel. I'll drop the link on my Telegram channel in the comments. Then we'll see what we do about that. So in case you guys have any other pair you want me to analyze next week or any other time, you can drop it on my Telegram channel. I want to make our Telegram channel back on its feet because it has been so dead since. You get what I'm saying? So let's go to the end of this stream. Then peace out, guys. Oh my god.